To stake Solana on Ledger Live, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Ledger Live installed on your computer and your Ledger device is connected and unlocked. Next, navigate to the Manager section in Ledger Live and search for the Solana app. Then click Install to add it to your device. Once the Solana app is installed, go to the Accounts section in Ledger Live and click on Add Account. Then select Solana from the list of available assets. Ledger Live will prompt you to create a new Solana account or import an existing one. Follow the prompts to complete this step. After setting up your Solana account, navigate to the Solana account page in Ledger Live and click on the three dots next to your account balance. Then select Stake. You will be presented with a list of available validators. Choose one that you want to stake with and click Continue. Next, enter the amount of Solana you want to stake and confirm the transaction. Your Ledger device will prompt you to review and confirm the stake transaction. Make sure to verify the details carefully before approving it. After confirming the stake transaction, your Solana will be locked for a period of time, during which you will earn staking rewards. To claim your rewards, navigate back to the Solana account page in Ledger Live and click on the three dots next to your account balance. Then select Claim Rewards. It is essential to note that staking Solana involves some risks, including the potential for validator downtime or slashing. To minimize these risks, make sure to research and choose a reputable validator with a good track record. Additionally, always keep your Ledger device and Ledger Live up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features.